Hello again, this is Alex with MasterChartsTrading.com. This is market recap for Friday, September 27, 2019. This is going to be a slightly shorter than usual recap. I'm in the middle of a move, so stand by for longer recaps later on. Generally speaking, we'll just cover the major classes, stocks, treasury bonds, natural gas, oil, dollar, gold, and cryptos as they plunge. All right, so let's just get to it. Quick, relatively quick coverage. Not much is happening to S&P. Record highs were recently set. Now a very shallow pullback. Um, I think new record highs are just around the corner, but we just need to kind of work off a little bit of this overbought condition that we got because of the record highs. Overall, again, bullish chart. We are buying it. We bought this chart way back in February of this year because this was a wonderful opportunity. I wanted to say that we're going to be, throughout the presentation, I'm going to be using my indicators that are MasterChartsTrading.com. You can see there on TradingView where I'm hovering Master Charts Trading Price Action Indicators. If you need to get them, just simply send me a note. You can send me a chat or you can go to MasterCharts Trading and sign up. Dow Jones, not much different from S&P, basically pulling back from record high, from the very close to record highs. QQQ is basically doing the same thing. The Nasdaq 100 ETF, very close to record highs. Overall, quite, obviously a bullish chart. Various stocks and stock funds around the world and around United States are in bull phases. Some, of course, are not in bull phases. So basically, uh, here's an example of which one is not. XLE Energy, for example, and that one not looking good right now. But overall, S&P is in a bull phase, so we should be buying it. TLT, the treasury bonds, I don't know if their correction is done. I mean, this was an enormous move, which we caught, by the way. You can see alerts from 20th of December 2018, 11th of January 2019, and one on March of 1st of 2019 right there. Overall, actually opened my position as well here on January and over 24% gain to the top where it stopped recently. So I still think this is an overbought condition. I think we need to unwind a little bit before new highs are set, if they're going to be set. It's possible that this is a double top. One top here from 15th of January, another top from 28th of August. Right this instant, you know, I still think that stocks is a better. I would be more interested in buying stocks than in buying bonds right this instant. We'll see what happens in a few. Let's continue to commodities, natural gas here. It's at aggressive short levels. Why do I say it's aggressive short levels? Because it's at the yellow line. Notice where I'm hovering. Again, about those indicators, you can get them at MasterCharts Trading. But this is basically what all I do here is I look at the indicators and I think, are we in a bull market or in a bear market? If the security broke down, here you can see a breakdown and actually a couple of alerts back in December of 2018, another one in January 2019 where I'm hovering. See, they broke down below the red line, and that means they are now in a bear market. And if they're in a bear market, we need to do the opposite of buying. We need to sell it. So when the security comes up towards the yellow line, it kind of does whatever it does, then it closes below the yellow line. Again, this is for aggressive traders. There's the close below on the 24th of September. You can short it right there. I don't like to short it there because I'm not an aggressive trader. I would rather wait until a pull back towards the red line. Oil, very interesting action. So from the 13th of September to the 16th of September, there was just this huge gap, but it was not a very you can see that the price on the 16th of September did not close above the blue line, where you can see it was at 63, almost $64. So we were just doing nothing. Right this instant, I'm seeing this security get down to the red line, and in my book, this could be a opportunity to short if it closes below the red line, which is very much possible. Let's continue to the dollar index very briefly again. This is a brief video approaching again 52-week highs. Dollar is obviously bullish. We are trading it. Um, for example, GBP USD, we did open a position relatively recently, or rather, an alert was sent, and you can see already a very nice gain over close to 165 pips. So dollar is in a bull phase. Gold also is in a bull phase, which is unusual because normally gold and dollar move opposite, but you can see right this instant things are not normal. We actually traded gold as well. Here's an actual alert, and I myself did enter for GDX. You can see my entry right there on 31st of May. Huge gain, over 40% move in our favor. Um, right this instant, gold again is just basically correcting from those huge gains, like kind of like digesting its gains. I would wait and do nothing. Notice here, for example, is silver XAG USD if you can trade it. I didn't trade it personally, but you know, it's the same principle. So here is the breakout on 20th of June, big run over 27, almost 27%. And now corrective action. Notice the corrective action, very interesting how it moved between the indicators right there. So at peak was on the 4th of September, pulled back towards the blue indicator line right there on the 13th and 16th of September. Another move towards the green line. You can see three touches right there on 23rd, 24th, and 25th of September, and now back towards the blue line. You can see it just kind of touched it. So I would want to wait and do nothing. And when I see when finally gold will unwind its overbought conditions. Of course, fireworks was in the Bitcoin arena, and I was wary of buying Bitcoin. I had no problem buying Bitcoin a while back. In fact, I bought myself here on the 6th of May at 5,700, and you can see it went as high as 13,847. So I had, very nice profit here. And then a couple more alerts. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing magical. It's all the same thing. It's security, so it's treated like a security. Here's 18th of July alert and another alert on the 1st of August, or rather 31st of July. Both successful. Here I was getting kind of worried because um, Litecoin, for example, broke down a while back on the 25th of August. And here is that same Litecoin a few weeks later with a huge drop, 30% move basically in our favor. And this is an actual alert right there. It was sent at around 72, almost $73. I would be shorting it to short, and that's a 30% gain if you can trade it, for example, on Kraken exchange. Very similar. Ethereum, same thing. Big drop, 20 some percent drop. I did send an alert. Alert was sent around 195 or so, and beautiful, beautiful gain. So I am very reluctant to trade Bitcoin. You can see, I mean, there was many opportunities to buy it here at around 9919. You can see at the blue line, but I decided against it. So I'm waiting for a breakdown below the red line for Bitcoin, which is currently at 72.86 where I'm hovering. Again, you can find out more about these indicators at MasterCharts Trading, and you can trade on your own. I would be shorting Bitcoin here at 72.86 or so if it closes below the red line. Okay, that's it for today's recap. Again, I know I said that it's going to be a short one. Um, if you're ready to sign up, head over to MasterChartsTrading.com. That's one word, MasterChartsTrading.com. Click on the sign up and sign up for one of the services. We have the alerts. So alerts are something like what I showed, for example, for gold miners, for GDX. Those are actual alerts. You can see one on 31st of May, resulting in over 43% gain. Similar type of alerts. Of course, you get a free 30-day trial. All of our um, services have free 30-day trial. If you're ready to trade on your own, you can get trading indicators for TradingView, tradingview.com, where I'm hovering. You do not need a paid TradingView account, just a free one to enjoy my indicators. If you're for most advanced traders and for anybody who is pretty much serious about trading, you want to have both alerts and the indicators. And their best price package, you can see currently a yearly subscription is only 38.33 per month, billed yearly. But you can get pretty much anything in between, and try out the service. If you like it, then obviously keep it. If you don't like it, then I can cancel anytime within 30 days, no charge. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please send them in. Thank you for watching and have another great trading week. Bye bye.